Yes.
All right. So it's now official, eh?
Yes, it is.
Dr. Peter Phillips is officially Jamaica's leader of the opposition.
There you have it, receiving his
Instrument.
from the Governor General there yesterday. I might have known this, but I did not remember
What's that?
that now he gets to choose his own opposition spokespersons.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't know this.
Yes, ma'am.
So he gets to choose his own opposition spokespersons. And
They're to meet this week.
that matter with senators has come up again. We'll see how that goes. I think they're waiting to see if the senators will resign and give him the opportunity to appoint the persons that he sees.
Well, he
as
says
a
the
best
senators are free to act to their conscience.
Right.
They don't represent the whims of any particular leader, but they're there to represent their own conscience and exercise their best decisions on behalf of the country.
Yeah.
That's going to be interesting.
It's an interesting road for Peter Phillips, because I think at this juncture, you want to do the right things to create unity or to bring some amount of it back. But then you don't want to just do something because you don't want to rock the boat. You want to be able to make the tough decisions that are right for you. So let's see how he navigates both things.
Well, he spoke to the mandate, says he's going to be vigorous in defending those needs of the people for good governance, for good laws, for relief from anything that is oppressive or deleterious to their well-being. We'll do so primarily through the Parliament and through the exercise of those powers which our membership of the Parliament affirms us, but equally our voices will not be restricted to the Parliament. So all the best to you, sir, as you take on this new role and chart your own course.
I tell you, our country is as strong as its leadership and as its opposition.
Yep.
Don't get no stronger than them two. So all the best. Now this.
Yes.
That one, yeah.
Talk to me.
I hope when Jamaica done so we can build 3 national stadium. The International Olympic Committee is denying that it covered up doping cases from the 2008 Beijing Olympics after a German TV program revealed that positive tests by Jamaican sprinters were not prosecuted. The documentary said several of the Caribbean islands' athletes had traces of clenbuterol, a banned substance, and its muscle building. No athletes were identified, but as always, you know, they're going to say no athletes were identified, but Bolt won 3 medals. Now, let me tell you something. This allegation is a serious, Simone, serious allegation.
Come much up.
And the problem with allegations like this is people say these things and then say, oh, oops, never meant it.
Damage already done.
And your reputation's been damaged.
Yep.
Because I think from the beginning of time, they've been trying to prove something nefarious
Of course.
about Jamaican track and
explain
field.
it any other way.
Well,
so you have to...
no, there for prove. We good. When you not come boys and girls champs, we good, that's good. So this is ridiculous.
So WADA, the IOC said Monday concluded that there was no pattern of organized cheating. Wow. After consulting with the World Anti-Doping Agency, after careful consideration, this is the IOC in a statement, WADA informed the IOC further to the pattern analysis that the IOC had conducted that WADA could not find any significant and consistent pattern of abuse of clenbuterol in these cases, and that it would be appropriate not to take these cases any further. The low levels of clenbuterol found that was below 1, is this ml is what? Milligram? Ng, was in the range to suggest potential meat contamination cases because China apparently has a reputation of using clenbuterol in livestock farming to increase animals' muscles. So maybe they went over there, ate something, and that's really what they found. So hopefully we can just drop it now.
No, but I don't think they should drop it. I think for somebody to be that careless, an example needs to be made of them. Because if you don't stop them, by next year somebody going to come up with something else and something else. Because Jamaica really is the biggest thing in the world. And when you say Jamaica, you get ratings and people go watch this station when nobody never watched before. I mean, who knows this station or the person who made the documentary?
You know him now.
Yeah, so, please.
Okay, so this is yesterday. A stunner for many. His family very happy. Remember the case with Corporal Dwayne Smart, who was charged with the 2012 murder of a pregnant woman?
Yeah.
Well, he was freed yesterday after news of a not guilty verdict. Free of all charges in connection with the killing of 27-year-old Keon Lamont, who was 8 months pregnant at the time. She was shot twice during alleged altercation with Smart after she was accosted for using expletives. He was also found not guilty of wounding with intent with regards to the injury of Lamont's sister, who was also shot on the scene. The incident had sparked days of protest by angry residents.
Yeah.
Of course, some people are saying, how him get off? Other people are saying they think it's fair. One eyewitness said she was a distance off. She saw everything. She saw when the police was nudging Lamont to the station. After them said she cursed bad word in his presence. Me see when the sister run up and start defend her, and the two of them start to fight the police. The sister sweep him foot off the ground, and I saw him drop with the pregnant woman. Two of them nearly gang him out there. I saw him get afraid and draw him gun and fire the shots. So different, well, varying accounts from varying people, but the long and short of it is that he's now a free man.
Yeah.
He's now a free
Those
man.
are never win-win cases because that's something that's going to hang with him. And a
And the
woman
family
and her
of the-
child
and
lost their life.
Yeah.
Some of them even know
Yeah.
what to say Simone. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, folks, at what time is it? 15:15?
Yes.
Who have birthday today, miss? Today is the 4th of April.
Yes. Well, yesterday I didn't get to wish Jem Myers happy birthday because I was not here, and Miss Neely's Aries.
Yesterday was Lisa's birthday?
Yes,
Oh,
Trisha
happy
Forbes.
Related.
Can I con this now? Love him know about April, you know. Today is Stacey and Warren's birthday. Poochie, see? I remember your right name. Stacey and Warren.
Poochie.
Poochie. Derek Atkinson, April Roxanne,
And
and
Poochie, you know.
you have a Poochie?
There are a lot of Poochies.
All right.
Poochies, Munchies.
So never, don't forget, right? Carice Whitelock, 1 year old. Himself must
1
make
year?
arrow.
Why you
One
never
number
pen the
years
door right?
old. 1 year old. You know,
1 year
correct it
old.
because people go and say, so there she is. Happy birthday, cutie.
Oh my gosh. Oh
Is
my
she cutie? And Hertha, I see it too. Don't worry, I see it. Happy birthday to Janine Hyatt, coming to you from Hertha.
Can I just say good morning to my sister who's watching? I love you, Yan Dizzle.
Dizzle Bizzle.
Yes, yo.
Dizzle
Big
Bizzle.
kisses on a girl power Tuesday. You know what for big young cause he was here when
Yeah,
all
is
of
that
this
girl?
started. Well, that too. She's very powerful.
Oh. Happy birthday.
I'm done. I'm just done.
It's-
Understand?